Aloha! Today we'll be working on finding areas of any triangle, and I need you to make sure you have your notebook and a pencil. Now, you may be wondering, whose beautiful voice am I hearing today? My name is Miss Cry-Sneeze. I am Miss Weinkauf's alter ego, BFF, soul sister, you know the drill. Now, she called me last night. I was relaxing on my couch, and she said, "Hey, Miss Cry-Sneeze, I just have been really sick lately, and today I tried to teach the kids because I really want to be there, but I just don't have the voice for it, and I don't think I can make it through another day." And I said, "Girl, I got you. I got you. I always wanted to be a teacher. Subbing sounds like a great option." But I said to her, I was like, though, I don't know if I can do it solo. So she said, "Oh, don't worry, Miss Cry-Sneeze. I'll come in. I'll be with you. I can be like your little helper. And you can just practice being a sub. Because my kids, some of them are really struggling with subs. So this is good because then I can go in. I can see how they're doing. I can take notes. So then next time I have a sub, they'll be ready to go." Sounded like a perfect plan. So here I am. Now, to help you get a feel for who I am as a person, I sent over a picture. Miss Weinkauf, did you put my picture up for the kids? I don't see it on the board. Can you grab it? What is that? You think you're funny. You think you're funny. I promise that's not what I look like. Get the real picture. Can you get it? We'll wait. Any day. Come on, get the picture. I know. I should have been a model. Alright, so that's me, Miss Cry-Sneeze. Alright, should we get started with math? Alright, here we go. So, setting up your notes. Okay, we're on Unit 2 still. Area. Okay, area. Are we getting area? Alright, I got this. Alright, so page 8, area of any triangle. So get that in your notes. I'll give you some time. Miss Weinkauf will, pause this for a second, give you some time to fill it in. Alright, so you now need to grab a piece of Cornell paper. You pick your fave. Miss Weinkauf told me some of you like lines, some like blank. You pick. Alright, so go grab your paper. I'm feeling, I didn't say go. Miss Weinkauf, they're so eager. Alright, if you are going out of town for MEA weekend, you can go get some paper. If you are not going out of town, that's fine. Go ahead, get some paper. Alright, so we got our paper. It's in the front. Oh, no. Miss Weinkauf's shaking her head. It's in the back of your notebook, so put that in the back. You should be filling out your topic and focus. Okay? Topic is area, focus, area of any triangle. Okay? EQ. Extra question. Essential question. Okay, essential question. Why do I multiply by 1/2? Explain. Alright, so get that in your notes. Take a second. Alright, so if you don't have the essential question in, Ms. Weinkauf tells me that there's this thing on the board where the question is. Y'all know where that is? Okay. So get that in. Alright, so your warm-up is on page 7. Okay, you have 2 minutes to do this. Our buddy Joe, he designed a flower bed shaped like a parallelogram. The flower bed has an area of 475 inches squared and a base of 25 inches. What is the height of Joe's flower bed? Okay. Oh, and I see Miss Weinkauf wrote draw a picture. So maybe that might help. So try to draw a picture of a parallelogram. Okay, draw a picture. All right, 2 minutes. Go for it. All right, next, match them. Ooh, this is fun. I like this. Okay, so match each triangle to its correct name. So we have obtuse, right, and acute. All right, so we got to figure out which one is 1, 2, or 3. So I think talk to your elbow partner, you know, give them a nudge, wake them up. Here we go. Ask them, what do they think? Which one's obtuse, right, and acute? Think back to last year. Go for it. I'll give you like 30 seconds. All right, let's do it up. Take some notes. How do I? Oh, okay. Shoot. How do I? Miss Wyckoff? I think I broke it. Oh, it's over here. Okay. Here we go. Oh. It's kind of, Miss Wyckoff, it's kind of blurry. How do I? Oh, the button? The blue button? Okay. Oh, now we're cooking. All right, got our essential question in there. Topic is area, okay. So, are you ready? Everybody's got a pencil? That's why can you hook them up if they don't got a pencil? Okay, and did you get your sticker? Because this is when you're going to have to take some, notes. Let me know who's doing a good job, who's not. Okay, put your sticker on. Yeah, yep. Good job. Okay. Here we go. So, types of triangles. Now, this should be review. Let me get a little closer for you. There, maybe. It's harder than it looks. Alright, so types of triangles. This should be a review from last year. So we've got, Miss Wyckoff told me you already talked about right triangles. And they have to have a what? Something special? Yep. Okay. So, a 90-degree angle. I'm going to draw a little picky of it. A, B, C. Okay, what else we got? Oh, an acute. An acute. Is that just like a cute little triangle? Oh, no? Okay, Miss Wyckoff, can you call on somebody, tell me what an acute triangle is? Maybe pick your favorite. Oh, wait, that's right. Teachers don't have favorites. Don't do that. Oh, yep. Love it. All right, so can I reword it a little bit? All angles are less than 90 degrees. Let's draw a little picture. Perfect. Y'all can see that? Alright, now, I'm just going to move it up a little bit. Don't freak out. There we go. Alright, and then last one we have an obtuse triangle. Miss Wyckoff, help a girl out. Pick somebody. Who knows? What's an obtuse triangle? Yeah, okay. Okay. So we have, now all the angles are bigger. Oh, okay. So one angle is greater than 90 degrees. Okay, let's draw a picture of that. A, B, C. Oh, I tilted that. So sorry. There we go. So get your little examples in there. Is everybody writing? Miss Wyckoff? Okay, I don't want to be, kicking anybody out on this special day with Miss cry sneeze. All right. Next bit, we're going to put in, what is a vertex? Vertex. Is that like one of those like spinning things, you know, out in space? Oh, that's a vortex. Vortex. Okay, vertex. So a vertex is a point that, two sides share an angle or, no, I just like that. Two sides share an angle. Beautiful. Okay, so if I make a little triangle, this will be sharing two sides. So this is my vertex. Vertex. Look at me doing math. Ugh. Let's work off. This is easy. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't. All right, last thing. Area formula for any triangle. Oh, sorry. Oh, any triangle. B times H times 1/2. What is B? Oh, base. What's H? Height. Okay, base times height times half. Well, what is this little half for? That is confusing. Oh, you've been talking about parallelograms. Okay. So let's think about this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Oh, sorry. Oh, carried away there. Okay. So if I cut this in half, I get two what? Triangles. Okay. And then if I cut this little guy, I can make a right angle. So if I make this little triangle over here, A, B, C. Okay. All right. So I don't necessarily have to have a right angle to find the triangle, but I have to create a right triangle somewhere in or outside of the triangle. All right. So how do I know what my base and height is? They create a right angle. Okay, so this could be my base and this could be my height. So let's pretend that this is like 7 centimeters. And then this guy can be like 3 centimeters. So get that in. And then if I do base times height times 1/2, because it's half of a parallelogram, I get it. Okay, because I only want half of it. Okay, all right. So then I have 7 times 3 times 1/2. 21 times 1/2. Come on, Miss Weinkauf, you couldn't have given me an even number? All right, what's half of 21? 10 is half of 20. So, okay, so 10.5 centimeters. Done! Oh, wait. Okay. Squared. Now I'm done. Right, Miss Weinkauf? Yes. Okay. All right, so Miss Weinkauf's going to just pause this for a sec so you can get all your little notes in. I'll even zoom out for you. All right, so get those in your notes, and then you get some practice time because practice makes perfect.